Are you a beginner who wants a full body transformation in just 30 days, without a gym, heavy weights, or extreme dieting? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing a 30-day full body transformation routine that's 100% beginner friendly. No matter your age or fitness level, this routine is designed to help you lose fat, build strength, improve stamina, and feel more confident, all from home. Who this program is for, 30-50 Sec. This routine is perfect if you're new to fitness. You haven't worked out in a long time. You want visible results without overtraining. You want a simple, realistic plan you can actually stick to. How the 30-day routine works days. 110. Foundation phase. The first 10 days are all about building the habit. You'll focus on basic movements to wake up your muscles and improve flexibility. Workout, 20-25 minutes. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Bodyweight squats, 12 reps. Knee push-ups, 8 to 10 reps. Standing crunches, 15 reps. Plank, 20 seconds. Repeat this circuit 2 rounds. Rest 60 seconds between rounds. Days 11 to 20. Strength and fat burn phase. Now your body is ready to work harder. You'll start burning more calories and building lean muscle. Workout, 25-30 minutes. High knees, 30 seconds. Squats, 15 reps. Push-ups, 10-12 reps. Lunges, 10 reps each leg. Plank, 30 seconds. Repeat 3 rounds. Days 21 to 30. Transformation phase. This is where results really show. Your stamina improves, your core gets stronger, and your body feels lighter. Workout, 30 minutes. Jump squats, 10 reps. Push-ups, 12-15 reps. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Leg raises, 12 reps. Plank, 40 seconds. Repeat 3 to 4 rounds based on your energy. Important tips for best results. Warm up for 5 minutes before every workout. Stretch after each session. Drink plenty of water. Eat balanced meals. Focus on protein, fruits, and vegetables. Sleep at least 7 hours. Remember, consistency beats perfection. If you stay consistent for these 30 days, you won't just see changes. You'll feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. Start today, not tomorrow. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment Day 1 to commit to your transformation journey. See you in the next workout.